In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Nova V2 to find and trade profitable meme coins. Now, in case you don't know, Nova Plus or Nova Trade or Nova V2 is from the same developers who made the Nova trading bot on Telegram and used to be one of the best for trading meme coins, and now they've actually created a DEX where you can go ahead and trade meme coins. And if you want to join right now, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 20% discount on all trading fees forever. Okay, so that is a 20% cashback. Make sure you check it out and use my code, which is IHT, and you'll get the 20% cashback. Okay, so there we go. Once you are on site over here on the Nova V2 or the so-called Nova Plus now, there's a bunch of things you can do, and there's a bunch of tools that will help you find and trade profitable meme coins. So of course, the first thing we want to do once you sign in, you want to go ahead and go to your wallet manager, and then you want to generate your wallet and of course export your private keys, and then you want to deposit on some Solana. After you do this, which is of course very easy via this deposit button over here, then you can go ahead and go to Cosmo over here, and this is likely going to be your main place where you're going to be finding and trading meme coins. So here, as you can see, there's the newly created coins, the about to graduate coins, and then the graduated coins as well. Now over here you have this quick buy button, so in case you see something you want to hop in right away, you can just quick buy, and here you can set how much the quick buy button is actually worth. And the best part here is actually these filters. So we could also filter, you can click on that, it's going to open up these filters, you can select different DEXs, you can unselect them, you can select the general, audit, and socials filters here, so there's a bunch of different things you can set. As you can see, it's very advanced. You can do whatever you want to do with this, apply it, and then of course try to filter out the meme coins you actually want to trade. Now, like this, of course, you can then go ahead and just find the different meme coins. Now, let's say you now find a good meme coin in here. So you did your research, you did the trading, and you did kind of the filter setting over here, and you found a meme coin you think it's worth hopping into. Now, what you can do here on Nova, it's very easy. You can just click on that specific meme coin. So for example, let's say I'm just going to click on this one. And then over here, to actually trade it, it's so easy. On the right hand side, you can see the buy button and the sell button, and then you can just go ahead, click on the buy button, select one of your presets over here, whichever one you want to use, and then you can select the amount of either Solana or USDC. Just select how much you want to buy, click on the quick buy, and it's going to buy your token over here, your meme coin. Okay, so that's the first thing you can do. And then the second one, whenever you're ready to sell, you can just click on the sell button up top over here, and then you can select how much in percentages or how much in Solana or USDC you want to sell, and just sell it like this. Okay, so that's literally how easy it is to use Nova Plus or Nova V2 to find and trade profitable meme coins. Okay, so you can find them over here and then just trade them in here directly. Now of course, there's a bunch of different things on here as well. You could use the wallet tracker, you could use the Ignite feature over here, which basically will pop up early tokens and the surging tokens, which you can of course filter as well, use different presets. And as you can see, what Ignite does is you can utilize their advanced algorithm to find and track the next runner. Okay, so this is also very cool to use over here. You could use it if you want to. You can see a bunch of different things regarding different tokens, and then if you actually see a potential, you can just click on the token and go ahead and look into it. Okay, of course you have the wallet tracker. As I said, I have a separate tutorial on how to use that, which could also help you find and trade different profitable meme coins. And then you also have their monitor feature up here. As you can see, of course, if you want to monitor any accounts, you are free to do that as well. You also can see your holdings, and then also you have your earn tab up here, which will basically allow you to invite different people to the platform and then get to different levels, which will actually give you more cash back. Okay, so that's how to use Nova V2 to find and trade profitable meme coins. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.